Hey, Southern Oregon, welcome back to another edition of the market statistics for all three counties, Jackson, Josephine, and Klamath. This is for the week ending May 13th, 2024. And we are showing some signs of improvement in the supply of listings in our little Southern Oregon. But we still have some bouncing around in the price department. But let's get to it. Specifically, let's start with Jackson County. Prices year over year in Jackson County are up 4% in the residential market. The average single family home this week costing $503,568. The number of sold year over year in Jackson County were down 20%. We had 40 closings in the residential market on SOMLS this week. The number of listings year over year in Jackson County in the residential market were up 15%. Yay! So we had 553 active listings on SOMLS this week. Very, very exciting. So let's go to the foreclosures. We did not have any foreclosures or short sales close in Jackson County this week, but we did have $2 million deals close. One was in Ashland for $1.0 million. It was almost 4,200 square foot home on almost an acre. And we also had one in East Medford close for $1.0 million. It was a half acre lot and 3,600 square foot house. Congratulations to those folks. Let's move on to Josephine County. The prices in Josephine County year over year this week were neutral. The average single family home in the residential market costing right around $413,000. The number of sold year over year in Josephine County were up 14% year over year. That's great news. We had 8 closings on SOMLS in Josephine County this week. The number of listings in Josephine County were up 14%. Yay. We had 343 active listings in SOMLS, Josephine County this week. Foreclosures were 0, short sales were 0, $1 million residential sales in Josephine County were 0 this week. Klamath County prices were up year over year, 13%. The average single family home in Klamath County this week costing $309,580. The number sold year over year in Klamath County were down 9% this week. We had 10 closings in the residential market in Klamath County on SOMLS this week. The number of listings year over year were up 13% in Klamath County. We had 262 active residential listings on SOMLS in Klamath County this week. 0 foreclosures, 0 short sale closings, and 0 residential $1 million sales in Klamath County this week. So what does this mean in the middle of May? It means that all three counties are up over 10% in the supply department. Jackson County is up 15% year over year this week. Josephine County is up 14%, and Klamath County is up 13%. We still do not have quite enough supply to meet the demand of the buyers, but we have more than it was last year. We also are still bobbling around in the price department. Some weeks it'll be up, some weeks it'll be down, but it is trying to level off. And just a little side note, nationally this week, some of the economic reports that came out, there's the beginning of a national trend of prices trying to come up, but it's more like 0.5%, not even quite a whole full percent. And that's all very fragile and very fresh. But Southern Oregon is a destination location. We oftentimes outperform the national statistics. So speaking of which, please check out the podcast for this week. We're going to talk a lot about what's going on in the supply side, but also I'd like to hear from you if you want to buy or sell a property or you just want more information. My number is 541-301-7980. That's 541-301-7980. I want to be your agent. I want you to call me. I want you to text me. Let's talk about what we're going to do as the next step of your real estate life. Okay. Have a great Southern Oregon weekend. Hug those you love. We'll see you next time. Bye now.